guys, Vat Gaming here, and today is going to be a service video on the Bissell powerforce bag. Recently I have not been cleaning out this machine for quite a while, so yes, y'all can see this base right here is pretty dusty and dirty. It does need cleaned out, and as well as the inside of the bag. So yeah, and like I said before, I'm gonna start cleaning out some of my vacuums. Some of my vacuums has not been cleaned out. So yeah, and the vacuums I'm gonna start off is some of those Bissells. So this vacuum right here we're gonna start off. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. And there you guys have it. So as y'all can see, this part of the machine is like completely dusty and dirty, and I wanted to wash this out, so I took out the switch and the cord and the motor. Excuse the noise. This part right here I cannot wash because this goes to the headlight. So, well, I don't know if I can. Well, I don't know. I don't know if I should take this out and wash it because it goes to the headlight, and I have no idea how to take that apart, but I wouldn't want to do that because I must have probably messed it up, so I wouldn't mess it up. So yeah, so, and I do want to show you guys the brush roll plate right here. This part is broke, so I am gonna have to put some tape on here. So yeah, that's what it is. Y'all can see it's like broke. So yeah, so I'm gonna wash this first before I put some tape on here. So yeah, so stay tuned for part 2, and yeah, so part 2 will be washing and cleaning out the vacuum. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. So thank y'all for watching. Oh, and by the way, the tempo back there is cleaned and washed out and put back together. It's gonna go to brace back. So thank y'all for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys all later. Peace.